My name is Connor Backhouse. I study Level 3 Public Services Extended Diploma. I chose to study this course as I felt it offered a wide variety of topics to cover, so diverse my skills going forward to uni and in life in general. Alongside this, a lot of the tutors are brilliant and they all have ex-military or blue light service experience which can benefit my career. What I like most about the course is we do a lot of outdoor stuff. So it's good experiences such as abseiling, climbing, water sports. Today we're actually lucky enough that the weather's quite nice, but we're going to go into the Black Mountains and do a 30-mile walk. What I like about that is it gets you out of the classroom, which is huge. Good for mental health, good for physical health and overall well-being. So I plan on studying outdoor adventure education in Plymouth Marjon, and then after that I plan on being in the Royal Marines as an officer.